Hey Sproutlets, we finna look at Sprout cooking show. I think that's what it is. But here we go. So let's try it out and see how it look.
Come in, come on.
Good
Are
song.
you looking for a bite? If you wanna eat smart, this is where you start. Just bring your appetite. Because at Sprouts Diner, we're gonna feed you right.
Sprout Diner! We're always in the mood for healthy food.
Hey, look,
How may I help you?
Thomas.
Thomas has a very important
Oh my god, look. PBS Kids Sprout. So cool.
delivery to make today, and he needs something for his journey.
Russell will have just the thing to help him.
Great, Thomas says. Now I can be a really useful engine and make my delivery.
It's time to create with the Sprout family.
You've got a thirsty happy beat, or you want a healthy treat?
Have you lost your zip and zing, and now you're looking for the thing that's not just yummy and delicious, but also wholesome and nutritious?
And nothing can be finer than the food here at the Sprout Diner.
So what's the daily special going to be, Dad?
Yeah, what's it gonna be?
Oh my god, look. Caillou, Thomas, Bernie, Tubby, and there go the dad right there. Wait, let me point at it. And y'all see, not the girl, I accidentally pointed at there, but it's right there. Y'all see the dude with the purple and white. That's him.
Let's see. Thomas needs fuel. He's always working so hard. My mind's chugging over this one. I've got it! A club car sandwich on top of pretzel tracks.
Oh, yes!
I call this Thomas's club car sandwich.
Choo-choo and a woohoo!
Order up.
I'm on my way.
Oh, you can take the train.
Say beep beep to Thomas for us.
If you wanna eat smart, this is where you start. Just bring your appetite.
Bye.
Because at Sprouts Diner.
I got something. What to say? P B S PBS. I can't put out words for kids, but PBS Kids. So, bye.
To find out how you can make Thomas's Club Car Sandwich, go to sproutonline.com with the grown-up Sprout now.